Greetings YouTube. My friend Mike pointed out that I haven't done a build video lately for a weapon. And he's correct. The last couple of videos, builds I did were very simple and I didn't even think they really needed videos. Though I have posted stills of those weapon builds on my DeviantArt and on my Instagram. I will put links to those with this video. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this bayonet and that 5-inch bolt and I'm going to put it into this tool handle, which is a standard rake style tool handle, and I'm going to turn it into a short spear which will be longer than the actual weapon would have been when it was attached to a rifle. And I don't have any idea what year or model this goes to. I know it's probably antique, but the way I'm going to mount it won't hurt the bayonet at all. I could just take the bolt back off again, so if I ever want to use the bayonet for something else, or if I ever found the rifle it goes to, I could attach it to that as well. This particular one is a round cross section with ribbing on the sides and comes to a round point. It's not very fancy, but it seems to do the job. I mean, it's a classic bayonet. So I'm going to attach this together, and then when we're done I'll show you what this thing looks like. And about 2 minutes later, there you go! One bayonet mounted on a tool shaft. It went in nice. The hole that comes with the shaft for mounting like a rake or something in it is just the perfect size for a 1/2-inch bolt. And I used a 5-inch galvanized, and it fit in just fine. I will be taking some stills outside where I normally take pictures of my weapon builds just for fun. And I post these on my Instagram, on my DeviantArt page. So, I know this has been really simple and it's been a while since I've done a weapon build, but you know, sometimes the simple projects are the ones that just kind of make me smile. It's the first day of my vacation and I kind of like the idea that I can throw a weapons build together real fast to celebrate the fact that I've got the next week off. Haha, I can't wait. October 31st, which is going to be next Wednesday for me, from where I'm filming this, is my wedding anniversary. So I'm looking forward to that as well. And hey, you're going to make one bayonet spear, you might as well make two. I think they came out pretty nice. I put a washer on this one because this was a little bit larger diameter than this one is, so that one fit really nice, and the washer wouldn't have fit in that space anyway. This one would have been a little sloppy, so I threw the washer in there. It also means that you're going to have less friction between the bolt and the bayonet itself, because the washer is going to take up some of that. So there you go. His and her wedding anniversary celebratory bayonet spears.